So then, what is the printed circuit board made of? Well, this smartphone's PCB is actually built of 10 conductive layers. Let's go through them quickly. The top and bottom layers are used for mounting components and acting as multiple antennae. Also, each of these components on the circuit board needs power and ground, and the PCB has entire layers that are dedicated to just that, and are aptly named the power planes and ground planes. Additional ground planes are used as electromagnetic shielding and heat dissipation. The remaining 4 middle layers are used to carry all the communication traces or signal wires. Each of the conductive layers is composed of copper, and between each of the layers is an insulating fiberglass and epoxy resin that prevents the flow of electricity. This PCB has 10 conductive layers. However, in other applications they can have anywhere from 2 to 50 or more layers, but most PCBs stay around 2 to 10. Additionally, on the top and bottom is a coat of colored solder mask, which provides electrical insulation while keeping the mounting pads for the components accessible. And on top of that is silkscreen, which is just ink used for markings and letters that tell where components are placed. I think it's truly amazing that 50 years ago computers took up entire rooms and looked like this. And now after decades of really hard engineering and development, we have something this light, small, and thousands of times more powerful, and everyone has one of these in their pocket. Our world is amazing, but these innovations were only made possible because of the hundreds of thousands of scientists, mathematicians, and engineers that studied hard and then worked even harder to discover and design transistors, microchips, and PCBs, while shrinking the size of each one of these by factors of multiple thousands. Here's a dime so that you can get a sense of scale for the size of these wires. These intricate wires found inside the PCB at the center of your smartphone are just mind-blowing.